Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing like a little album haul and unboxing. I say little, there's kind of a few albums here. I'll just go through what albums we've got. So we have IZ*ONE Heart Eyes Sapphire version, Loona++, and we have all versions of GFriend's Labyrinth. I have ateez's Anniversary Edition, and then the NCT Neozone T version. So I'm just going to start with like the boy groups since I have fewer of those. I recently did like a group order where it was just like you can get anything off K-Town4u because there was just a few albums I wanted to get and I was like, why not help other people as well? So the reason I got this, even though I already have it, is because the photo cards are massively expensive. So I was like, I'll just pick up another version. I need Jungho's baby card and like either Hongjoong or Wooyoung adult ID card. Here's to like hoping. Okay, here they are. Oh, I got Minky's adult card and I think this is Hongjoong's baby card. I literally just traded for both of these cards. That is kind of frustrating. So hopefully I'll be able to trade them to the cards that I need. And now on to NCT. This album is huge. I didn't expect it to be this big. I hadn't seen any unboxings. It's mammoth. I don't even know how I'm gonna go about doing this. I broke it already? Go me, I guess. That seems to be more of an SM problem than a me problem. Now with this, I collect Jaehyun, so that's sort of who I'm hoping for. No idea where this photo card's gonna be. This is like a magazine. So the cards, they're just here. I don't really know people's signatures, so I don't know who that is. So for the circle card we got, I got Jacob. Yes, he has said hello. And then we got Jungwoo. All of the NCT cards are so nice for Neozone, and I've seen Neozone the final round cards as well, and they're gorgeous. NCT never disappoints. But I can't believe I got his circle card. I have a habit of pulling his circle card. I got his circle card in just the normal Neozone end version, I think. I'll package that up later. But I am so happy. Okay, now moving on to the girl groups. We'll start with the Loona and IZ*ONE. Now IZ*ONE, I just got this album to finish my album set. I already have like all the Cheon cards that I need. So the pulls are not sort of that big of a deal. I don't really collect the front sleeves either, so and we got Hitomi on the front cover. This is all falling apart. Big mood, but can you not? Thank you. Okay, there's so much stuff. So I got Minju and Wonyoung. Honestly, Heart Eyes cards are so pretty. Well, all IZ*ONE cards are since they're all visuals, but you know, this album is ridiculous. Am I even gonna bother putting it back together? No. I'm sorry about this shadow. It's really warm in the UK right now, and opening my curtains would result in me overheating like crazy. So because the sun shines directly into my room, I'm not chancing it. And then Loona. I collect Olivia Hay, so hopefully I can be lucky since I don't see a whole lot of trades for plus plus. This album is stunning. Oh gosh, absolutely stunning. Okay, here we go. This is the photo card. Oh, I got Yojin. That is actually adorable. She's so cute. Hopefully I'll be able to trade to Olivia, or at least find Olivia's card to buy, because I actually struggle to part with this. And now on to G-Friend. This is kind of nerve-wracking for me. I need to pull OMG. I have gone way too long without having any OMG cards in my Labyrinth collection. I also rarely see G-Friend trades at the minute, so as much as I love all the other girls, stay away from me. Okay, this is a sticker, isn't it? Great. How do I don't want to break the sticker, but I feel like I'm gonna have to. Haha. No sticker ripping today. Come on. This kind of packaging pisses me off. Let me have my albums. Okay. Where are we at in here? So I don't know what was first pressed and what wasn't, but I think there's a standee, possibly. Haha. And we got Yedin. These are actually stunning though, I love their concept. This is the CD. Okay, and the photo cards are right there. We have this is not So1, confused by her hair. Then a Yuju. Oh, Sinbi. Ah, oh my god. And we actually have an UMG. So cute. I'm dying. I didn't think I'd pull her, I never actually get lucky. And then I'll just move this album to the side. Should I? Yeah. These stickers though. Okay, onto the purple one. This is like by far my favorite color ever, so like I'm glad they did an album in this. I feel like I'm not going to be as lucky with the stickers for all of these. Please, I have this issue with Dreamcatcher. Can you just... Please. Oh my god. Haha. Okay. Who we got this time? We got Yuju. I think all the standees are the same in each version, so still praying for UMG. Oh, we got Unha. I loved this hair on her. Wow. They're actually so pretty. And I think that is that for this version. These stickers are so nerve-wracking. Oh my god, please. No, the sticker ripped. This is what I'm trying to avoid. What is going on? Who thought albums like this was a good idea? No, that's ripping. Haha. Okay, praying. OMG, please say hello. And we got Unha. I'm okay with that though, they're actually stunning. All of G-Friends are visuals. Okay, we got Mott Unha. And then we have a Yuju. Only one OMG out of 6. How is that fair? But these are actually really pretty. I always thought the labyrinth concept was just gorgeous. Thank you for watching. I hope to bring more videos like this in the future since I have quite a few things stuck in the AirPods at the minute. So hopefully they'll all start arriving at some point. So I'll be able to open those and show you guys. So thank you for watching.